bedroom.
Chase you to the bedroom?
Yeah.
Good morning. Welcome to our day. Are you tired yet? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh.
Hey, what are you doing?
Back apple. Back apple.
Alright, this is a big apple.
No, that. Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
back apple.
If I give you any bigger, you won't finish it.
Whoa, back apple. That's a
big apple.
Oh, this on the cut.
No, now you want that one cut? I love you. Oh, I love you so much. Good morning, everybody. So, we are doing another day in the life chit chat. I feel like I haven't caught up with you guys on here in a while, just like talking to the camera. We've had some updates in our family lately. Our routines have changed for summer, so I'm gonna take you along for our day. I actually have a facial today. One of my best friends scheduled me a hydrofacial out here, so I'm gonna go do that today. Thank you to Yesoul for sponsoring today's video. I am so excited to share with you guys some of my new routines that I'm trying to implement. What I love about having a bike in my home is that I can't make excuses to not work out. It is right there. This bike is so affordable, you guys. I will share my code at the end of this video and you guys can check it out, but it's just great. So I'm excited. I'll tell you all about it some more, but it's been a really good addition to my kind of summer routine. Okay, I gotta get ready and take these babies to summer camp. Hello, I can see you now. Okay. Isn't it so pretty out there? I have like my own little jungle to get ready in. All right, I'm keeping it simple this morning because I'm getting a facial later. But I've been loving this Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue. It's like really thin makeup. It's super moisturizing and it's SPF 45. But I just like put it on like lotion. Out the door, that's literally all I'm gonna do. Maybe some eyebrows so I don't look scary. I slept in today, guys. It's kind of a bad day to sleep in. So poor Tyler is upstairs fending for himself with the children.
Come on out.
We're just gonna do this and call it a day. How's it look back there? Good? I don't trust you, so I'm gonna look at myself. Yeah. Frizzy, but you know, it's humid in the middle of summer, so what are you gonna do? Okay, let's go get the kids. Ooh, kitties. Where are you? Where are they? Where are they? Are they in the closet? No. Are they in the... I wonder where they are. Are they in the bed? Okay, boys, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go to school. Say bye-bye. Give you a blow kiss.
No.
You ready? Let's go. Okay, we just dropped the babies off at their little school program. I'm gonna go get a coffee and then I'm gonna go get a facial. I've never had a day like this. This is not an ordinary day where I get to have these like bougie by myself mornings.
Bougie by yourself mornings.
Yeah, to get coffee and a facial, this is not normal, but this is like my self-care kickoff, I guess. Summer self-care kickoff. Oh my gosh, this is the best drink. It's called an iced doppio espresso, and it's just espresso. So when that really strong espresso mixes with that cream, it's so good. Okay, I'm a little red, but it's like microdermabrasion with like a hydrated liquid version. So they do like a chemical application, like a glycolic acid or salicylic acid, which I think is why it's red. And then they did like a red light therapy, but it like pulls all the impurities out of your skin and then puts good stuff back in. Anyway, let's go home. You guys, I feel like it really has been so long since we've just like had a chat. We've officially been here, let's see, February, March, April, May, June. 5 months. It's been pretty great. I mean, Nashville is very similar to Tulsa. Feels like a small town. It's really beautiful. The people are very southern and nice. Obviously, there's like more traffic and stuff like that, but overall, it's been great. But it does take time to make friends. And I feel like I'm gonna make a video coming up about making community or getting plugged in when you first move somewhere. I get a lot of questions from you guys on Instagram about how you see us like make so many friends so quickly, or you've been in your town for a year and you really don't know many people or whatever. I feel like I've done this kind of like 3 times now. Moved to LA after I got married, moved to San Diego after living in LA, and then moved to Tulsa. So I guess this is the 4th time. I feel like I have some good tips to share. That'll be a different video, but if you're interested in that video, let me know in the comments below. I'm just trying to get in to a good rhythm. A lot of you probably know this because you follow on Instagram, but those of you that don't, Tyler and I, well, it's always weird to say Tyler and I because I was pregnant. Tyler and I were pregnant, and I had a miscarriage a couple of weeks ago. I have processed it, I think, really well. I'm really proud of how Tyler and I have handled it. I kind of took like 2 weeks off of Instagram, which I've never done in my whole life. And I've not really been on here making content kind of for that same reason, because I just needed time and my body needed time. I won't go into the details of it, but it was obviously a very heartbreaking thing. I was almost to the end of my first trimester. I was so sick before that, which is also why I was kind of quiet online, because I was just barely surviving. I was so sick. But it's like always that good feeling of like, oh, I'm so sick for a purpose, for a reason. And I was like a week away from hopefully being out of that sickness into my 2nd trimester. And we lost the baby. It's been hard. This summer, I was really looking forward. The boys got into like a summer program at this church locally. It's 2 days a week, and I thought that was gonna be great because I was gonna be kind of sick and pregnant and kind of needing time to like rest. And now it's kind of changed. Now it's more like I'm not pregnant, my body's still healing, and I think it's just a good season for me to like take care of myself. And I think as parents, we kind of get all caught up in our kids and schedules and all the things, and we kind of can lose focus on prioritizing our needs sometimes, like whether that's health needs, whether that's like going on a date with your spouse. I kind of want to go back to that and make good routines. You know, we had like a couple months where you're trying to get situated in your new city, and now I feel like I'm in a really good place to get some really good routines down. So usually during this time when I'm home from dropping off the kids, I answer emails, I work on any work that I do have. I've really stepped back with work, but I do some brand work with different partners on Instagram or YouTube, and so if I have anything pertaining to that, I'll do that right now. I usually try to get my Bible study in, which I do my prayer journal. Every page is a new day, so this is July 8th, but see how it says July 8th, 20 blank, 20 blank, 20 blank? So you would fill in 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027. So you can go back and look at all 5 years on that same day, what you were praying for every single year. Isn't that so cool? This company is called Hosanna Revival. My brother and sister-in-law sent it to me. Thank you guys so much. I'm so excited about it. Okay, so I have a really glamorous home gym here at this house. It's also my storage unit and Tyler's office.
Yeah, glamorous.
Yeah.
That's right.
Very glamorous. But the real glamour part is this beautiful new Yesoul bike. And it is so cool. Let me tell you about it. Here's what I love about my new workout routine. So Yesoul bike is a beautiful, gorgeous cycling bike, okay? Stationary cycling bike. And it's really, really great for a number of reasons. Number one, it is very affordable. Prime Day is also coming up and I have a code, so I will share that with you. Number two, it's in my house, so it's very easily accessible, which is, I think, the number one barrier for parents, especially moms, doing a workout routine, because if it requires you to leave the house and you have young children, that can be complicated if you don't have childcare. Even if you do have childcare, sometimes it's just hard for me to get out of the house. I don't know what that means. I like getting out of the house. I'm not afraid to leave the house. I just sometimes can't. I don't know why. I just end up doing laundry and doing the dishes and doing work, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I wanted to go get that workout in. But now it's down the hall, which is amazing. And number three, I've had stationary workout bikes before where they have like their workout program, which Yesoul does have a membership program. It's very affordable. I think it's like $12 a month, and they have all kinds of workout classes if you want to look into that. But I actually love the Peloton classes. They have like yoga classes, stationary classes. I have another app that I love called Train Well, and it's like an actual trainer, online trainer that sends me workouts. So I can cast that up onto the screen on this bike. So it's not just limited to their membership program. If you have a membership program already with workout videos, if you just want to watch YouTube, if you want to listen to a podcast, you can stream audio to it, and the sound system is amazing. So you don't get bored. Like, the one thing I don't like with cycling sometimes, well, I love going to a class. You don't get bored in a class, but if you're cycling at home, sometimes you can get bored. I don't get bored with Peloton's classes, and I also don't get bored listening to podcasts, especially if I'm just trying to like not do a really serious workout, just like move my body. I just think it's fun, and it's like a great way to get your body moving. It's like a very low barrier to entry. There's not a lot of excuses as to why you shouldn't. It's fun, it's easy, it's right there, and it's just like awesome. I go through seasons where sometimes I'm working out a lot, and when I'm in the seasons of working out a lot, I tell Tyler this all the time. I'm like, why did I ever stop? This feels so good. I feel so clear mentally. I feel motivated. I feel happy. The endorphins are flowing. I feel strong. Why would I ever stop doing this? And then I get pregnant, I get sick, or I have a baby, and life is crazy when you have a young baby infant. There's like so many ups and downs in life, right? And that's okay. There's grace for all of it, and I'm learning that. There's seasons. And I'm excited in this new season of summer. Not to make summer the best thing ever, but it kind of is. Just to get back into that season. Like, I hope we get pregnant again soon, but if we don't, like, I'm looking at this window. I usually get really sick early pregnancy, so I'm like looking at this window where I'm not pregnant as like a gift and a way for me to be able to invest in my health, my mental health, my physical health, and just get back to that place of feeling really good. When the bike comes in, it actually comes in a box. You have to assemble it, but I can tell you, I don't have any footage of this, but Tyler and Sawyer put this together, so that should tell you it's very easy. And it took them maybe 30 minutes to put it together. The main part of the bike comes assembled. You just have to put the handles on, the TV on, and then maybe something with the legs, I forget. But it's very easy to assemble. The screen itself tilts and turns, so if you do want to do a floor workout, you totally can, and you can still cast whatever you're watching. If you want to stretch or whatever, you can do that. So I have the Yesoul G1M Plus bike, and that bike is amazing. Now let me just tell you how affordable this bike is. I think it's gonna blow your mind. This bike is actually $499. Now with the discount that you're gonna get through my code and the fact that it's Prime Day coming up, it's $399. $3.99. The competitors, whom I will not mention, but you know who I'm talking about, are like triple that price for the same thing, and you can stream their workouts on the screen. Like, why would you buy that bike? I have no idea. You should buy this bike. It is such a great investment. You'll have this bike forever. Everybody in the family could use it, adult-wise. Tyler could use it, I could use it. If we had a friend over, they could use it. Sawyer wishes he could use it, but obviously he can't. I'm gonna link through Prime Day so you guys get that added discount, plus you guys can use my code, and I'm gonna put it here on the screen for you. And with that code, you'll get it for $3.99, which is amazing. I'm gonna link it below and you guys can check it out. And we could just be in this like summer health journey together, you know? I think that would be fun. Tyler just texted me that he wants me to meet him at a lot, like a property, to go look at something. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. I'm gonna go grab some wraps at this local juicery place for lunch. Look at all those toys, oh my gosh. My old self would not have ever bought that, but it's the bright colors, you know? Kids love them. Another thing I've been thinking about that's kind of a mental shift for me, I feel like with Tulsa, I was so excited about Tulsa and I was so open to the idea of Tulsa. And I think from leaving Tulsa and moving here, I've been hesitant for multiple reasons. One, because I don't think I wanna like Nashville like I like Tulsa. Two, I don't wanna hurt our friends and everyone who's back in Tulsa to make them think that we're gonna stay here forever and ever, because when we moved here initially, I thought we wouldn't stay here forever and ever, and I still don't know. I've just been hesitant. And I don't like being that way. I kind of miss how, like, everyone used to say that I was like being paid by the city of Tulsa because I would try to convince everyone to move there. Like, I just loved Tulsa so much. And I want to feel that way about whatever city I live in. I want to find the positives, and I don't want to have to find them. I just want to call out the positives. I don't know, I've just felt like very restricted. So I've kind of made the decision a couple of weeks ago to like really embrace Nashville without any strings attached. Who knows what it means, if we'll live here forever or not. I feel like I'm comparing it like, oh, but there's so much traffic here, it's so much more expensive or whatever. Like, I have all these things. So I just want to lean into it, and I want to get my glow back, where I'm like a happy, positive person who loves where I live, you know, and I'm like an advocate for where I live, because I think that's just a good way to live. And I miss that part of myself. So that's kind of a new thing I'm leaning into as well. I think I wore the wrong shoes for this adventure today. Should we go in? Hello? Oh, you scared me. I guess we're just breaking the rules. Not good? Why? Oh, it's a swamp? This is the best chicken club wrap you'll ever have in your life. Brody, did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Sawyer, did you have a snack?
Yeah.
What was your snack?
Goldfish and a cracker.
Goldfish and a cracker? Whoa, lucky boy. Hey, let's go home. I'm just gonna sit out here, enjoy the sunshine, and wait for Tyler to come home from work on the front porch. Hey guys, can you come here and say goodbye?
Goodbye, Sawyer.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow a kiss.
No.
Bye, Scout. Say bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. And again, if you guys are interested in the Yesoul bike, I will link it below along with my code. So check it out. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Say see ya.
No.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.